What's up guys, PalexOX here, and today I'm going to show you how to make parts of an obby, and in this episode I'll show you how to make a lava break. So first, you want to insert a part into workspace. You can make it, it's colorful as you want, I'm just going to make it red. And I'm going to change the material to neon. Come on. And then in the part, insert a script. The script right here. And in the script, first function. First I have to actually get rid of this function on touch. You gotta make sure it's exactly like this. On touch part. Okay, then put an end here. That's why it's red. Okay, then local humanoid equals part dot parent colon find first child, and then brackets humanoid. Okay, then if humanoid does not equal no, humanoid does not equal no, then humanoid dot health equals 0, and then go outside those ends, and then put script dot parent dot touched connect, and then put on touch. Okay, so now if we go in here and run the game, I'll show you how this works after it runs, which could take a bit, but for you it'll probably be a few seconds. Okay, so we're back here, and just to show you that it works, let's ignore those other parts. If I touch it, oh, I forgot. One stupid mistake. I spelled health wrong. That's why it's not doing anything. So I'll be back again. So we're back again, and it's actually fixed this time. So if I touch it, whoa, I die. So thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one later.